You studied two interfaces. You studied statement, prepared statement. Okay. Now one more is there callable statement. Statement interface, what purpose? Statement interface, what purpose? To execute static SQL queries. Prepared statement interface, dynamic SQL queries. Callable statement interface, PLSQL programs. Okay. In each interface, these three methods, common methods: execute method, execute update method, execute query method. Execute method suitable to execute DDL queries. DDL full form, data definition language. Examples: create, alter, drop, dash dash. Okay. Execute update suitable to execute DML queries. DML full form, data manipulation language. Examples: insert, update, delete. These all comes under DML. Execute query method suitable to execute DQL queries. DQL full form, data query language. Example: select. Okay. Actually, any query can be executed with any method. It works, but don't use. You follow these guidelines only. Okay. You follow these guidelines only. Now, see, three interfaces, three methods are there. Now, static SQL queries, three programs you have seen. Static. Dynamic SQL query, yesterday one program you have seen. That program, I'll open once again. The diagram program I'll open. See, yesterday I given. That is, I didn't save, I think. It is there. Okay. Now this is you have seen yesterday. Now this is only. Now see, suppose here four records are there. Four records are there. Just turn off your videos. See, four records are there. Fifth record I want to insert. See, four records are there. Here four records are there. Fifth record I want to insert. Now, through Java application, I'm sending a request to insert a record, but that is dynamically I'm passing. You observe here, it is dynamic SQL query. It is dynamic SQL query. Okay. Insert into student values. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay. These values at the command prompt I'm passing. At the command prompt. While running a Java program, I'm passing. Now, this is args of 0. It is args of 1. It is args of 2. At the command prompt, whatever you are passing, those arguments are called command line arguments. These arguments are received by main method only. In the main method, in the brackets, string args, we are writing no? That is going to receive. Args of 0, args of 1, args of 2. It is question mark number 1, 2, 3. Because this is not array. That's what 1, 2, 3. But it is array. That's what 0, 1, 2. Okay. The program you have seen yesterday. The Java is there. I think I didn't write in the this one Eclipse are written. Edit plus are written. Eclipse also I'll show you. Eclipse also I'll show you. Font size you are asking. Brightness. 1 minute, 1 minute. Now is okay, no? No. See, See, it the command prompt, whatever we are passing. Now, first I'll open SQL prompt. Connection with system manager. Now select star from student. See, already 5 records are there. Okay, already 5 records are there. Okay, 5 records are there. Now, at the command prompt, I'll pass one more record. See, Java prepared statement demo. Okay, Java prepared statement demo. While executing Java program, I'm passing some arguments. Okay, now these are arguments I'm passing. Roll number 6, triple F 89. Then what will be happen? Received here. Okay, because at the command prompt, what we are writing, you observe Java. For running Java program, Java launcher required. Java launcher nothing but Java JDK tool, that is to run Java program, Java launcher, that is called JDK tool. This is nothing but class name. So this class already know that file name, class name may be different also, you can write. No, class name, file name different also we can write, but execution time class name you have to use. Now, but generally what we are doing, class name, file name same we are writing. That's the reason continuing like that, but you can write different also. Now Java, we are executing Java program. The program is PS demo. Here 3 arguments I'm passing. These 3 arguments received here. Received here. So it is args of 0. It is args of 1. It is args of 2. Because it is array. It is array. So it is array, no? Args of 0, args of 1, args of 2. But which type? String type. Here which type required? That's what I converted. Args of 0 myself I converted into integer with the parsing method. Parsing method in which class? Integer class. Parsing method in integer class. Okay, it is static method. You have to call with class name. That's what integer dot parsing. After that, args of 1. It is string only required. So string directly. But again, marks integer required. Again converting. This command line arguments is core Java. ParseInt method also core Java. That is core Java concepts, not advanced Java. Okay. So the arguments at the command prompt, whatever you are passing, here we are passing. These arguments are received by main method. Args of 0 here, args of 1, args of 2. But roll number integer type required, conversion. Name string only required, directly I pass it. Marks integer required, converted. Okay. Now actually here it is incomplete query. It is incomplete query. The query completed here with values, then it is executed, then record inserted, you'll get a message. Okay. This is prepared statement program. Prepared statement program. But this program, if you want to run in Eclipse, I didn't explain. Say, I'll show you. Now in Eclipse, here already JDBC folder I selected. JDBC is a project. Right click, new class. Now here package name by default JDBC is there, that is only continuing. Here class name, prepared statement demo. Okay, prepared statement demo. Now main method I'm selecting, main method. Okay. Now prepared statement demo, PS demo. Here main method I selected. Click on finish. Here it appears. Okay. Now that program, same program I'll copy here. Okay, right click copy, right click paste. Here I'll paste. You observe. Here you observe. Here try catch block not complete. 1 minute. I'll remove this try also. Now these all with shortcut key I'll place. Shortcut keys I have to explain. I'll explain now. Try with multi-catch or try catch, try with resource. Three options are there. Whichever you want, you can select. Okay. So you studied in core Java. Try catch is there, try multi-catch is there, try with resource is there. Whichever you feel comfortable, that is you can go for that. Okay. Now, here, connection not imported. And here, prepared statement not imported. For that one also one shortcut key is there. Imported. Over. Okay. Now, now 1 minute. Now, still we are getting error. Undefined exception. 1 minute. SQL exception not came. 1 minute. After importing that one, you have to do. First, importing. Control Shift O. I'll give shortcut keys. Now, all errors are solved. Okay. See this program. This program how to run in Eclipse. You observe. I'll save. After this, see same program. Whatever I written there, that is. Now, now already how many records are there? See, five records. I didn't execute 6 1. Here, if I enter 6 record, see one record inserted. You can check. So roll number 6 also inserted. Now 7th record I want to insert with Eclipse. How to do see? No done. No done. To pass command line arguments. To pass command line arguments in Eclipse. To pass command line arguments in Eclipse. To pass command line arguments in Eclipse. See, our program is PS demo. Okay, right. You have to select run as run configurations. One minute. PS demo again. I didn't save. Now you observe, write it. Right click on project folder or right click on file. Now write it. Right click on project folder. Example JDBC. Right click on project folder. Example JDBC. Right click on project folder. Example in JDBC. Run as run configurations. No done. Click on run as. Click on run configurations. Click on run as. Click on run configurations. Click on run as. Click on run configurations. Now see, right click, run as. Click on run configurations. Here, project name, you have to check. If not there, you have to select here left side. Main class, PS demo. In the package, PS demo. Package in JDBC, project name JDBC, same I given. This is also you have to select. For this, we are going to pass arguments. Okay. Select the project, select the main class. That is by default comes. If it is not comes, you have to select here. Here you have to select left side. Okay. Now write it. Select the project. Example JDBC. Select the main class. Example JDBC colon JDBC dot PS demo. Click on arguments tab. Click on arguments tab. Next. So select the project that is by default comes. Example JDBC. Select the main class by default comes. That is example JDBC.ps demo. Click on arguments tab. See here arguments tab. Type program arguments. Now type arguments in program arguments box. Type arguments in program arguments box. Example, I'm going to type already how many records are there? 6. Now roll number 7. Marks. I'll type. Now I'm going to type 7 triple G 98. Type arguments in program arguments box. Example 7 triple G 98. Whatever you want, you can type. I am typing 7 triple G 98. After that, click on apply. Click on run. See, one record inserted successfully. So click on apply. Click on run. click on apply, click on run. Click on apply, click on run. Is it over? So command line arguments you can pass in Eclipse like this. While running, run configuration you have to select. In arguments box you have to type. Then you can run. Okay. In Eclipse, if you want to pass command line arguments, this is a procedure. Is it clear? Now, some shortcut keys about Eclipse. I'll explain. Now, note down. Eclipse shortcut keys. Is it clear about run command line arguments in Eclipse? Eclipse shortcut keys. See, these are actually Eclipse shortcut keys. What will happen depends upon practicing. Automatically will get it. One more time you want. See, here right click, run as, run configurations. Here project JDBC, project main class JDBC.ps demo. Click on arguments. You can type here. You can type arguments here. After that, click on apply. Click on run. Okay. Now, Eclipse shortcut keys. This actually which shortcut key we are using also you may forget actually. That automatically comes depends on practicing. Many shortcut keys are there. Now very regular whatever we use, just 10 shortcut keys like that. Very regular we use. That is I'll give. First one. Suppose these many JDBC, these many programs are there. These many projects are there. See, here many projects are there. Okay, arithmetic, basics. See, many projects. Now 12 projects are there. Suppose in these projects, create demo program I want to open. But where is create demo? Each and everything you have to click, you have to check. For that, one shortcut key. See, here just if you write create demo, see where it is in JDBC folder, SRC folder, JDBC. Like this you can search. So like this you can open. So for this one shortcut key, see Control Shift R, open resource. So write it. First one. To open a resource, Control Shift R, Control Shift R, Control Shift R. You observe. Now to open a resource, suppose example you written on program yesterday, suppose that is create demo program you written, but there are so many projects are there, but in which project you written that program name you may not remember, but the program is there, create demo. But where is create demo I want to see? Just Control Shift R. After typing you type whatever you want, searching create demo. See, it appears. Select, click on open. It opened. Suppose again Control Shift R. Again suppose PS demo already opened. Suppose insert demo is there somewhere. Insert demo. See, insert demo. Select open. Like this. Now these are called editors. Now how many editors open? 3. These 3. Okay. Now here what I want is this program I want to close. This program I want to close. Control W. It is closed. So to close editor, write it. To close editor, Control W. To close editor, Control W. See here, how many editors are there now? 2 editors are there. 2 editors are there. Suppose I want to open one more program. Then what you will do? Control Shift R. You can type whichever you want. Suppose message bean.java. This one program I want to open. Click select open. Open. One more I want to open. Control Shift R. One more, suppose PS demo I want to open. PS demo. Select open. Now PS demo already is there. Suppose Control Shift R. One more insert demo I want to open. Insert demo. Open. Let this open. Here how many editors are there now? 4. 4 editors are there. I want to close current window, current editor. What do you write? What do you have to click? Control W. That is closed. Now like this, suppose 10 editors open. 10 editors. 10 times Control W you have to type no. I want to close all. Control Shift W. See, all closed. Okay. Next, to close all editors, Control Shift W. Is all, if you practice you'll remember, otherwise you'll forget. It will be happen. Okay. Daily if you utilize, then only we can remember. Otherwise you'll forget. Suppose example MS Word only. MS Word, how many shortcut keys are there? Hundreds of shortcut keys are there. Control A onwards, Control Z up to Control Z is there. But can we remember? No. That it depends on practice only. While practicing also, if you use control shortcut keys, you'll remember. That is actually which shortcut key you are using also you may forget. Automatically comes in a mind. Automatically comes. But that is which shortcut key also we cannot remember. But it comes automatically. Like that it will happen. Control Shift W. Here again Control Shift R. Insert create demo. Control Shift R. Insert demo. Control Shift R. Message bin.java. Let this I given. Now suppose if you modify here something, again package I written. Now suppose if you modify, if you here already see, automatically what will happen? Here star symbol comes. That meaning not saved. Okay, not saved. Suppose this one I'll open. Here something semicolon I removed, again semicolon I written. See, now star symbol came because I modified. Idiot star symbol not there. See, now here again suppose just I removed semicolon, I added. See, again star symbol came. Not saved, not saved, not saved. Okay. If you want to save, shortcut key, here already icons are there. Here icons are there, you observe. So with icon also you can click. Otherwise shortcut key to save a file, Control S. To save all files, Control Shift S. To save all files, Control Shift S. Control Shift S. So all at a time, if you want to save, Control Shift S. Only one particular file only if you want to save, Control S. See, here already 3 files not saved. Now Control S. See, it is saved. Which is saved? See, create demo saved. But still these two not saved. These two at a time I'll save. Control Shift S. See, both are at a time saved. No? This is saving. This font size, if you want to increase, see, Control plus, increasing. Control minus, decreasing. Okay, write it. To increase font size, Control plus, just plus I am writing. That means one plus only. Control plus. To decrease font size, Control minus. In between plus 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 I give no that don't press plus. Okay, we'll write like that only. So actually Control Shift R. This plus is not included. Okay, but generally we'll write like that only. Control Shift R. Here this meaning Control plus only, Control minus only. Okay, we'll write like that only. Now 8th one. To organize import statements, Control Shift O. Control Shift O. To organize import statements. To organize import statements, Control Shift O. So why it is called organized? I'll explain. To organize import statements, Control Shift O. Say, for example, here how many imported you observe? Connection, driver manager, SQL exception, statement. These 4 required because here connection is there, here driver manager is there, here statement is there, here SQL exception is there. That's what imported. Suppose I'll remove 4. You observe. Now 4 errors. You observe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 errors. Now these all just one Control Shift O. Then if same interface name in 2 packages is there, java.sql, java.beans, that is the reason it is asking. Otherwise it won't ask. Same interface in 2 classes are there, same 2 packages are there, it will ask. Now here java.sql required. I selected finish. See, all imported. Suppose myself I'm importing another package, java.util.some collection. Actually in this program collection is not required. Collection is not required. Then Control Shift to O. Unnecessary import removed. Unnecessary import removed. Necessary imported. Import required imported. So required statements imported. Unnecessary imports removed. For both one command only. That is the reason it is called organizing. Only importing not done. Unnecessary imports also removed. So here already 10 import statements are there. Still 2 required. And already in a 10, 6 unnecessary is there. Unnecessary 6 removed, 2 added. All will be done at a time with one command only. Control Shift to O. Okay. One more. See. Suppose if I write program like this. See, one is right side, one is left side, different if I write. See, it is not a proper format. Now Control Shift F. Every line formatted with one command. Now see, this is like this is there. This is like this is there. This is like this. This is like this. See, now Control Shift F, automatically formatted. Next, to format the text, Control Shift F. To format the text, Control Shift F. To add try and catch blocks, Alt Shift Z. Alt Shift Z. But you have to select the text. Otherwise, right. Select the text and press Control Alt Shift Z. First, which text you want to place in a try block, that you have to select. After selecting, that is possible. To add try and catch blocks, select the text and Alt Shift Z. Is it over? See, I'll remove these try catch blocks. Now, Alt Shift Z, like this, it will come. Try multi catch, try catch, like this. Select the text, Alt Shift Z. See, try catch, try multi catch, try with resource. Whichever you feel comfortable, that is you can use. Like this you can do. Suppose system.out.println, if you want to write sys out control space bar. Note 11th one. To write system.out.println, type sys out. Yeah, many are there. And press Control plus space bar. Maximum commands, Control space bar. Control space bar. Main method, main Control space bar. For loop, for Control space bar. If condition, if Control space bar. Remaining all while writing you can do. This Control space bar, many are there. Okay. See. This is all. If I remove, see, main Control space bar, main method. For loop, for Control space bar, for loop. See, enhanced for loop or normal for loop, it will ask. You can select. With index means this one. With this one means enhanced for loop. See, automatically these are coming. You observe. These are options here. Format also showing. Refs right side. So maximum what will happen is with Control space bar only possible. Maximum commands possible. So to write main method, type main and press Control space bar. To write for loop, type for and press control space bar. Like this, so many are there. Like this, so many are there. Yeah, SYS also works. SYS ERR, SYS E, SYS O. So this control space bar, many places it comes. Okay, many places. Control space bar. It is assistant. Control space bar is assistant in Eclipse. So just one word, two words you can write. Control space bar you can write. Maximum places control space bar works. But instead of this all, one last shortcut key. To display shortcut keys, also shortcut key is there. That will give it's enough. To display all shortcut keys. To display shortcut keys, also shortcut key is there. This is, if you remember, enough. Control Shift L. Even if you forget other shortcut keys, don't forget this shortcut key. Okay. At least if you remember this one, you can see the list. Control Shift L. To display all shortcut key is there. Okay. Yeah, zoom out, zoom in. So many are there. See, to display all shortcut keys, Control Shift L. Yeah, many are there. Many are there. Now I'll show you how many are there. I'll show you. See, Control Shift L. See, list of shortcut keys. See how many are there. These many shortcut keys are there, but all not required. Any subject is very vast. MS Word also 10% also we do not know. MS Word also every day we use, but 10% also we do not know. Subject is any subject you take very vast. See how many? Who will remember? We observe. That's what very regular. Whatever we use, that is enough. Okay, subject is very vast. Okay, uppercase, lowercase, later you search, learn Java first. Okay, many are there. If I teach like this, what will happen? Eclipse only it will finish. But these Eclipse, no one will ask in interview. Are they asking in interview? Only they may ask one question. Do you know Eclipse? Yes or no? Yes also nothing will happen. No also nothing will happen. With Eclipse knowledge, they are not going to recruit. Their Java knowledge is required. Okay, because if you learn Eclipse also in that company, they may use IntelliJ. Then again you have to learn that one. They may use in NetBeans. They may use VS Code. They may use other IDs also, because Java IDs also many are there. But majority of the companies they are using Eclipse. Say Java IDs. If you type, how many IDs come? See, these are Java IDs. See, so many Java IDs are there. See, this is Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ. These three popular. Okay, these three popular. See, My Eclipse. It is also popular. It is very easy because based on Eclipse only. My Eclipse, but paid version. My Eclipse is not free. You have to pay money for that. But this is free. Eclipse. Eclipse free. My Eclipse is paid version. So, but companies they'll pay. After joining company, My Eclipse also they'll use. But same like Eclipse only will be there. These all environments already settled. Like you are going to get errors, many things errors. Those errors will not come. It is very easy. Like already done. Everything configured. Configurations are not required. Inbuilt. So many plugins are there here. So like this, so many are there. So many editors are there. If you learn 3-4 IDs also, after joining in the company, one more they'll give. Again, you have to learn starting. You have to start learning. It will be happen. Okay. So Java important. These are not nothing. Leave it. Just so while practicing automatically comes. These are more than enough. This 14 shortcut keys again, no? Later remaining depends upon practicing automatically comes. Now, see, prepared statement program you have seen. One more program. Suppose at the command prompt, see, at the command prompt, I'll type like this: Java prepared statement demo. One rule number I'll pass. Then rule number output should come. That output should come. Then here query, select a star from student. No. Java prepared statement demo. Rule number 5 I'll pass. Then select a star from student where roll number equal to 5 question mark. This is I want to place here. So this is I want to place here. Then output should be like this. Output should be roll number 5, name of the student, marks of the student. Like this I want. Okay. Java prepared statement demo. Roll number only I'll pass. Then output should come that record, that particular record. Roll number 5 record, it has to display. This is dynamically I'm passing. In this query we have to insert, we have to bring the output. Okay. This program you are going to see. Right, this one. What we have to write? I'll ask question, you have to give answer. With your answers I'll write. Okay. Complete first line to last line. You have to give the answer because same every day. Right, this one. Right, this one. This program first line to last line you have to give the answer. We already 4 programs you have seen. It is 5th program, including connection programs. 6 programs you have seen. Total 6 programs already studied. With that knowledge you can give answer. It is possible. This is my task. So with shortcut keys, only benefit very quickly can develop. That's it. Very quickly can develop applications. That purpose we prefer. That it depends upon experience. It comes automatically. But these shortcut keys now it is not required also. No one will ask in interview. Will you ask the shortcut keys in interview? No. Okay. First you concentrate on Java only. Even without shortcut keys also you can operate. You can operate, no? It takes some time, that's it. But after joining in a company, very quickly if you want to develop, depends on practice, automatically all you can remember. Okay. But present in interview, no one will ask about that. Is it over? So at the command prompt, I'll pass roll number. It has to display record. That particular record it has to display. That is my task. That is my task. Okay. See, I'll ask questions. You have to give answers. First line to last line. See. No. I'll ask questions. You have to give answer. With your answers, I'll write. Without class, can we develop application? So first class name, main method, open brace, close brace. Without main method, can we execute program under operating system? No. Okay. Main method. What do you write? Public static void main string args. Okay. This array operator, you can write here also. You can write here also. You can write here also. All are valid. 3 places. Before variable, before array reference, after array reference with a data type also. Okay. 3 places possible. Here also valid. Here also valid. Here also valid. Okay. Now all methods will throw exceptions. How to handle? So directly you can write try catch. Exception E. System.err.println E. Now, first of all, we have to load the driver. For loading driver, what we have to write? Class.forName. What is the type for driver class name? Oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver. For establishing connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. How many parameters? Which type? String type. What is first string? URL. What is the URL? JDC colon oracle colon 10 colon at localhost colon 1521 colon XE. Now this Oracle 11G Express Edition link I shared in Google Classroom. Okay, those are facing problem with 1921. These all you can uninstall. 11 you can install. 11 lightweight, 1921 heavyweight. It will occupy more memory. And Enterprise Edition, more memory occupies. Laptop speed also will decrease. Okay, so you observe after installing Enterprise Edition, you observe speed will decrease. Enterprise Edition, system speed will decrease. That's what better to go for Express Edition. It will occupy less memory. Express Edition also 11, 21. Again difference is there. 11 less memory, 21 more memory. Okay, and that too you are not learning Oracle specific course. Any version okay. Oracle 8 also okay. Oracle 21 also okay. Oracle 8 also okay. If you are learning Oracle specific course, Oracle apps or Oracle DBA, Oracle database administration separate courses are there, no? Oracle apps, Oracle DBA, Oracle system administration. These all if you want to learn, then latest version required. But you are learning Java latest version okay. Oracle any version okay. Okay, that's what better to go for Oracle 11G. That link I shared in Google Classroom. That is you can click and download, install. It is very simple. Okay. Even previous videos I shared in Google Classroom. You can check it out. Okay. Yesterday night I shared. Yesterday night previous videos, starting videos, 1 week videos I shared. That you can check it out. But further recordings will not be provided. No recordings further. Okay. Now, next username, system, manager. These all same. Now, connection interface driver manager class in which package? Is it record import? What do you write? Java.sql.star. Okay. Now, class in which package? Class in lang package. Is it record import? No. Why? Default package. Up to here, many times you have seen. Okay, this is common. Every day we are using same. Now, I want to execute dynamic SQL query. For that, which interface required? Which interface? Prepared statement. For getting prepared statement interface, which method you have to call? Which method? Method name also prepare statement. The method in which interface? Which interface? Connection interface. That's what connection interface reference dot prepare statement. Return type is prepared statement. What we have tried? Prepared statement. It is interface. Return type. Something PSTMT. Next, connection dot prepare statement. This is method. This is method. This is interface. Prepared statement. Interface. Prepare statement method. It is P small letter. Here P capital letter. Interface. Class and interface. Each word first letter capital. No space between words. Method. Second word onwards first letter capital. You studied in core Java classes. Here dynamic SQL query we have tried. What is a dynamic SQL query? Select star from student where roll number equal to question mark. This question mark we have to fill. Now that is roll number. Roll number which type? Integer type. So which method required to fill? Set int. Set int. Prepared statement dot set int. Here how many parameters? Two parameters. First parameter question mark number. Question mark number. How many question marks are there? One. So what you are right? One. Second question mark is value. Roll number. That is I'll pass at the command prompt. Command line argument received by main method. Now how many arguments we are passing? One. That index is 0. That is args of 0. Args of 0 which type? Actually which type required? How to convert? ParseInt method. ParseInt method in which class? That is instance method or class method? How to write? Integer dot parseInt. Okay. Args of 0. Now here filled. That question mark is filled. Nothing but that is incomplete query in 10th line. 11th line completed. We have to execute. This is DDL query or DML query or DQL query? DQL query. For DQL query, which method required? Execute query method. Execute query method returns result set. What do you have tried? Result set RS equal to prepared statement dot execute query. Okay. Now select a star from student where roll number equal to question mark. The question mark either roll number 1 or roll number 2 or roll number 3, something I'll pass. Then how many records comes? How many records? One only comes. Given roll number is not there. Then how many records comes? No records. The given roll number is there, that record comes. Not there, record will not come. Now, whenever result set is generated, result set pointer where it is? Whenever result set is generated, result set pointer or cursor, where it will be that position? First record or before first record? Before first record. Before first record. Suppose I'll pass roll number 2. Roll number 2 is there. It will come. If I call next method, what will happen? It returns true or false. Next method. Now I'll enter roll number 2. Roll number 2 already present in the database. That record comes. The record comes in a result set. Now cursor is before first record. If I call next method, it returns true or false. That means actually my question you are not understanding. Now, if I pass given roll number, how many records return? One record. If I pass suppose roll number 10 is not there. Then how many records returns? No records. But result set is generated. See, it is result set. Okay, it is result set. So given roll number is there. Suppose I passed now. This is a result set. Roll number, name, marks. Here, suppose roll number I entered 3. 3 roll number came. Marks came. This is result set. Whenever result set is generated, result set pointer before first record. If I call next method, it returns true or false. True. Record is there. True. Record is not there. False. Suppose here, if I pass roll number 10, roll number 10 is not there. Will it record comes? No. Then if I call next method, what will happen? False. Record is there or not? How can you find out? True means record is there. False means record is not there. The condition you can write no. If rs dot next record is there, entered. Record is not there. Condition false. So rs dot next. Rs dot next. Next method returns true or false. Record is there. It returns true. Record is not there. It returns false. Record is there. True. It will enter. We have to display. How to display? Record you have to display no. 3 columns are there. How to display? System dot out dot print rs dot get int. You can pass column number also, column name also. 3 examples are given. So can I write like this? Yes. System dot out dot print rs dot get string name. Next rs dot get in marks. Okay. Here some tab I'll write space. Now instead of writing roll number, name, marks, can I write 1 2 3? Column number also you can pass, column name also you can pass. Otherwise for loop you can write one more way. But if you want to call for loop, again metadata required. Number of columns you have to count no. That's what it is better. Now you observe. File, save. You observe. I'll compile. Java C prepared statement demo dot Java. Java prepared statement demo. Suppose roll number 3. See, roll number 3. Suppose roll number 5. Suppose roll number 10. No output because record is not there. Okay. See, this is one more dynamic SQL query. See, driver loaded, connection established, year 1 dynamic query prepared. Okay. The question mark data filled here with that result set generated, record printed. Write this program. It is example 2. Yesterday example 1 you have seen. This is also demonstrate program prepared statement program only. Program to demonstrate prepared statement. Program to demonstrate prepared statement. If any doubts are there, end of the session I'll clarify. End of the session. End of the session I'll clarify your doubts. First write the notes. End of the session I'll clarify your doubts. See, like this, if you give answers, advanced Java, nothing. Very simple. You can develop your own website also. End of the course. It is possible. Like this, if you give answer up to last class. Okay. But all people not given. My eyes on everyone. All are not given. My eyes on everyone. But majority people given. Very good. I want response like this only up to last class. I'll clarify your doubts end of the session. If I open chat box, they cannot write program. It is online, offline at a time going on class. If I open chat box, if I see they cannot write program, no. Your doubts I'll clarify end of the session. So Oracle 11G software link I shared in Google Classroom. You can find out. With that, you can download, you can install. And also starting 1 week videos I shared in Google Classroom. For getting Google Classroom link, you have to contact admin only. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. It is online and offline class. If I open chat box, they cannot write program. For online student, chat box not visible, but offline student, chat box visible. Because if I click the chat box, for you visible, but other online student, this box is not visible. They can write program, you cannot write. The chart box, this bar not visible for them. That is hidden. Is it over? Like this prepared statement. Statement interface, prepared statement interface to completed. So one program I given. Whatever you studied in Oracle, other queries, just you can test. Java program is same. Okay, Java program is same. SQL queries, hundreds of types you can write, but any SQL query, Java program is same. Okay. Monday, you will see continuation, callable statement. PLSQL programs how to run through Java. Okay. Monday, we'll see continuation. Be regular. Every class is important only. Be regular. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Now online students, 1 minute. I'll clarify your doubts. One by one, I'll clarify. Yeah, running notes you note down because it takes time. Everything if you want to upload already in a PDF files, all programs are there. Next, connection close also required. We can close explicitly. We can close. Yeah, Umar John. Just you check it out. Google Classroom. Already I posted Google notes in a Google Classroom. Okay. Yeah. 111223. Class not found exception. Your Oracle complete push is wrong. Your O capital required. Oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver. O capital required. Google demo class links already shared in Google Classroom. Vaishali, I shared in a Google Classroom. You can check it out. For getting Google Classroom link, contact admin. Record not found. That is, you can write in else block. Else block you cannot write. Catch block you have to write. Otherwise, else block also you can write because condition false it comes. Yes. Contact to whom you have to contact admin. Admin number is already given. 1 minute. Admin number I'll give. One minute. Admin number I'll give. This is the admin number. You can contact him. Next. 1 minute. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. One by one. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. One by one. Many questions are there. Now, Ashwini, lab faculty number and the system admin number I'll provide just to mail to my mail ID. Because present only one person is there. That's what is busy. That's what whoever will mail for them, I'll send. Notes, you have to write running notes. Running notes, you have to write. PDF files, I shared. Class path will be different. OJDBC 8_G required. Sagar. For 21C, DB home folder will be there. In that JDBC folder will be there. JDBC folder. JDBC lib folder OJDBC 8. For Oracle 21C, this file will be there. JDBC lib OJDBC 8_G. This location you have to find out. Maybe it is stored in downloads folder or maybe stored in DB home folder. You have to check it out. If you don't know how many columns are there, yeah, Fatima. If you don't know columns numbers, if you don't know, already yesterday program I given no result set metadata, get column count. You can count the number of columns. Notes already shared in Google Classroom. Running notes, if you want, you can write. Otherwise, you can leave it. But already Google Classroom notes, already PDF files I shared. All programs also are there. Kannaya Kumar, yeah. Your class not found exception. You see what you written? O small letter written. Oracle driver. O capital, D capital. If loop not understood. If only one record is there, it returns true. Record is not there, it returns false. Geeta Rani. If you are getting that error for every program means you need to set the class path. If you are getting only for that program means that is your program mistake. If you are getting every program this error means we need to set the class path. That screenshot, program screenshot, execute error screenshot, use mail to my mail ID, I'll give a reply. Vishnu Sagar, yeah, resource nothing but your program is a resource. Java P not working means you mail to my mail ID, I'll give a reply. Yesterday I explained, but I think you didn't listen. Setint method, Akhil. Setint method will set the value. Vishnu Sagar, resource nothing but your program only resource. Yeah, Sravanti, we can close with finally block. Yes. Meenakshi, Shivaraj. See, this is a admin number. You can contact him. Neeraj, previous program only one record is there. That's what while loop not required. Srinivasa Prasad, Java P Java dot star you cannot write. Aravind, Oracle product related information if you want to retrieve, Oracle database metadata interface is there. Hajrat, setint method, the question mark number 1 as well as value we are passing. MySQL or SQL, Oracle, anyone enough. Yeah, Umar John, already posted videos, you check it. Yeah, Sagar, programs, PDF files, programs are there. You check it out. It is there. Mac OS, I have no idea. Oracle 10G, Oracle 10G also OJDB 6 will be there. How to check Oracle port number, username, password, global name? These are like given already. Video watch, already video I shared, you can watch. In PDF files, all programs are there. You check it out. Yesterday I shared yesterday night. I'll share some more programs. How to set the path, how to set the class path, videos are there, you watch. Okay. Setint method will set the value, that's it. Yesterday 7 videos I shared. 7 or 9 I shared. You check it. Okay. Notes I'll share. Today notes I'll share in Google Classroom. Today night I'll share. Videos 9 are there. Yeah, 9 videos are there. You can watch. Umar Jan, you watch in a Google Classroom. In a Google Classroom, I shared 9 videos. I shared 9. Question mark nothing but not column number. That sometimes question mark is column number different. One only comes. TNS names.org file contains port number. We'll see continuation on Monday. Further no recordings. Further, no